Okay, I already fixed the problem in the onboarding page. As you can see, it's no longer covering the text. So next. And also when you point out that this button is not working because this is not a button, hoping you understand it, this is not a button. Then if you see also that the scanner interface has no image because you put the tablet like this and the camera at the back is covered, so you need to use your brain and you kinda okay, how you can see that is say that it's not working. That's just simply because you're covering the camera at the back, hoping that you approve this code, and this is a second time that some examiner from your company pointed out that the app is not working, but it is working, and the problem is the reviewer, the person that reviewed the app, hoping that this will not happen again. Thank you and good morning.